front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04e, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Sounds and Vibration. Then tap on Vibrate at the top in the middle to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations, or tap on Sound to click on this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable vibrations for incoming calls. When you finish, scroll, click on Call Vibration, and pick one of those patterns for your incoming calls or disable them by tapping on Silent. You can do the same for your notifications. Then tap on System Vibration to disable or enable haptic feedback for all of those options, and adjust intensity thanks to this slider. You can access the same slider in Vibration Intensity section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!